Alright, well if you've got a dog or know somebody else who does have a dog, I am so excited to introduce you to the Snap Leash. The Snap Leash is being called the most convenient leash in the world, and that's because it can literally do so many things. So let me share with you some of the cool things that the Snap Leash can do. So first of all, you'll notice right here there are two swivel hooks, one on each end. On this particular end, there is a cushion stitched in for comfort when walking your dog. Now, all you're going to need to do is take this first swivel hook and put it into the very first grommet, and now you've got your handle to go walk your dog. But let's just say you get to the park and you want to secure your pet around a tree, a pole, or a park bench because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, it's super simple. All you have to do is remove the swivel hook from the first grommet, wrap the leash around any size tree or pole, and put it into the appropriate grommet, and now you've secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily without any knots. And then when it's time to head home from the park, another great feature with the Snap Leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Another great thing about the Snap Leash is the Snap Leash can act as multiple leashes in one. You've all seen the traffic handle dog leash, and the traffic handle dog leash is great because there's two handles on that. One at the top and a secondary handle down by the collar to be able to pull your dog close to you so that when you're crossing busy intersections, your dog is not too far out in front of you or not too far behind you, endangered of getting hit by a car. So the traffic handle is a great way to keep your dog next to you while crossing busy intersections, keeping your dog safe. Well, the Snap Leash can also act as a traffic handle. You see, you have this first handle up here at the top. Then all you have to do is take this swivel hook, insert it into your dog's collar, and then take the very first grommet and put it into the swivel hook as well, and voila! As you can see, you now have a secondary handle just like the traffic handle dog leash. Now, more and more people are enjoying hands-free walking because it allows you to hold your cell phone in your hand or a bottle of water in your hand, and we've already discussed using the Snap Leash around your waist for hands-free walking. But another great strategy utilizing the Snap Leash is the over-the-shoulder technique. You simply take the swivel hook, put it into the grommet, and throw it over your shoulder for hands-free walking. Another convenient thing about the Snap Leash is that it's adjustable in length. So, some people like a shorter distance between them and their dog. Well, the Snap Leash is perfect because you can take both swivel hooks and put them into the dog's collar, and just like that, you've created a shorter distance between you and your dog. Now, maybe you like a longer distance, so at that point you can use the Snap Leash traditionally, which is simply take the swivel hook and put it into the very first grommet. But maybe you like a distance kind of in between the two. Well, simply take the swivel hook and put it into the appropriate grommet, and just like that, you now have the perfect distance between you and your pup. Now, another convenient way we're seeing the Snap Leash get used a lot is, imagine, for whatever reason, your dog is missing their collar. Well, a great way to utilize the Snap Leash is the temporary collar strategy, which is, you're gonna take the swivel hook, create your handle by putting it into the first grommet. Well, now you've got your other side. And you're simply gonna take the other side, wrap it around your dog's neck, put it into a swivel hook, and voila, just like that, you now have a temporary collar that you can walk your dog without having to worry about their missing collar. Now, another great way that we're seeing the Snap Leash get utilized is by walking two dogs at the same time with one leash. Imagine this, you pull up to the park and you realize you forgot one of your leashes at home. Well, you've got one leash and two dogs. The beautiful thing about the Snap Leash is the Snap Leash has two swivel hooks, one on each end. Now, depending on the size of your dog, if you can control them safely, then you could very easily connect each swivel hook to each dog and walk both dogs at the same time with one leash. Another convenient thing about the Snap Leash is, picture this. You're at the park and your dog is about to do its thing, and you just realized you forgot your waste bags at home. Now, everyone at the park is looking at you to see if you're gonna pick up after your dog. Well, the convenient thing about the Snap Leash is you have these grommets that you can very easily attach your waste bags to them so that you never leave home without them. Lastly, I want to thank you so very much again for watching this video. The Snap Leash has been on television multiple times. It's been on the Today Show on NBC in New York City. It's been on ABC, and now you can see why people are calling the Snap Leash the most convenient leash in the world. If you want to learn more about the Snap Leash, then please feel free to click on the link, and I want to thank you so very much again for watching. Hey!